Hello everyone, I'm Zach Zettner with Thor Motor Coach, and today we're going to check out the Palladium 1930. Let's go take a look. Some major features to point out on the Palladium 1930. This coach is built on the Ford Transit Trail. You've got the integrated marker lamps up front. You've got the black feature up front with the Ford logo. You also just have more of the integrated headlamps and lights. A totally different feature of the older transit style look that we've been offering. Some benefits with the Transit Trail chassis is the bigger 3.5-inch lift kit, the Goodyear Wrangler all-work terrain tires, and the 16-inch black alloy wheels. So with the 3.5-inch lift kit, you've got a little bit bigger ride height, so when you're going off-road and just a little bit more outer box camping. Some nice features to point out when it comes to the rear of the coach are going to be sensors for when backing up and driving. You've also got the rear backup camera. You've got your bike rack. Let's take a look inside. So in the rear of your Palladium 1930, you're going to have a nice screen again to keep out the bugs when you're at your campsite. You've got some nice storage with all this cabinetry in the rear, two trays down below, and then you've also got two up top if you need to hang anything on hangers or anything like that. Moving over here, we've got a nice spray port plug-in, water pump, light switch, a 12-volt plug, and then some more 110 outlets. Little cubby hole here, and then also your 30-amp Shoreline power cord. In the rear of your Palladium 1930, some other key features to point out. You're going to have your medicine cabinet up top. Right over here in the middle is going to be your drop-down sink, just to save some capacity and size throughout the van. Over here is going to be your cassette toilet, just nice easy drop-down just like that. You also have your light switch and then your fan switch on the top right. Moving over to the driver's side of the coach, and the back end, we're going to have our city fill hookup, our freshwater fill, and then down below, you're also going to have your propane hookup for your hot water and your heat, and there's a nice switch right over here. Just turn it on and off. The Palladium 1930 comes standard with a 11,000 BTU roof AC. You also have got your 200-watt solar panel. You've got a window that opens up from the inside to offer some cross ventilation to your customer. Some LED lighting that works off your Firefly system, your BM Pro up top. You also have a nice Truma Combi hookup, so right on the inside of the van, this will exhaust your heat and everything, so when it is running. 30-amp plug-in, another cable TV hookup, so we have one on the driver's side and the passenger, and this is going to be additional solar port adapter. Down below is going to be your sewer hose. This is going to be for your gray tank when you're needing to dump that. An amazing feature I love to point out with this coach is going to be the high idle button. This coach does come equipped with a 400 amp hour lithium system, so you can charge it while driving down the road, plugged into 30 amp Shoreline power, or if you are just boondocking, hitting your high idle switch up front. Moving to the inside of the Palladium 1930, we're going to have some nice swivel seats up front so you can turn around, hang out with your friends when you get to your campsite or if you're boondocking. On the inside of this Palladium 1930, we're going to have solid surface countertops, and we'll also provide you with a single burner induction cooktop. Throughout the whole back end of this coach, we're going to have our aluminum framed cassette shades, completely black out, so when you are sleeping at night or during the day, you want to kind of keep it a little bit more cool in here. The bed system for the Palladium 1930 is going to be a 2 twin bed system that comes together to make a 51 by 74 bed, so you can either keep it together or keep it separate when going to bed at night. In the living area, some features I like to point out, some nice push lights, so if you are a reader at night. We'll also have some more 110 outlets, storage throughout the top on both the driver and passenger side. You also have your 24-inch smart TV when you need to watch any of your TV shows that get caught up while you're on the road. In the kitchen area, we'll have our nice electric microwave along with our 12-volt fridge, and then down underneath is a nice USB-C hookup port underneath on the driver's side. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you need more information, check out generalrv.com.